Hello, my dear first become student. This is G. Mirza Atik. The next aspect in your human resource planning, that is job analysis. Try to understand what you mean by job analysis, meaning, definition, and features of job analysis, and then importance of job analysis. Here, job analysis aids the organization, that is, help to the organization in recruitment and selection, performance management, training needs identification, deciding compensation and benefits, etc. With the help of job analysis only. The process of job analysis involves collecting information related to work activities, behavior, and human requirements here, machines, tools, job aids, performance standards, job context, etc., and help define the job description and job specification. Here, most job analysis methodologies in rehabilitation provide details information concerning major work here, major task. The complete information job analysis means it will give the complete information regarding the job is concerned, etc., and environmental condition and the physical, cognitive, and then here capacity required for the average worker to perform a job. This is the job analysis here. So meaning of job analysis. Job analysis is the process of establishing job related factors here that the incumbent needed here to perform the workplace here. It identifies the task responsibilities and duties involved in the job here. With the help of these, the duties involved in the job that can be identified here. So a few definitions are there. Try to understand this definition here. According to Saket Powell here, he expresses his opinion. Job analysis is a familiar procedure to identify the content of a job in terms of activities here involved and attributes or job requirements here needed to perform the activity here. So what type of qualities or qualification that is needed to perform a job here? So according to Saket Paul here, next according to Wilson, job analysis is the process that involves the analyst describing the duties of the incumbent here, then the nature and condition of work, and finally some basic qualification that is needed according to Wilson here. So minimum qualification or basic qualification that is needed to perform a job. Next aspect, features of job analysis. So here the nature of job analysis can be summarized as follows. Job analysis is the process of studying and collecting information relating to a particular job, the responsibilities of a specific job here. The immediate product of this analysis are job description and job specification. Next one, job analysis is a systematic exploration of the activity within a job. It is a basic technical procedure, one that is used to define duties, responsibilities, and accountabilities. Next, a job is a collection of tasks that can be performed by a single employee, not more than single employee here, to contribute to the production of some products or service provided by the organization. Next, job analysis helps in analyzing the resources and establishing the strategies to accomplish the business goals and strategic objectives. Next, job analysis can be used to identify areas where an employee need training here. So employees where they want the training here. So that is very important here. Areas where they want the training here, since job analysis make it clear to understand about core duties or important duties and responsibilities of a job. Next, job analysis can be used in performance review to identify or develop goals and objectives, performance standard, evaluation criteria, length of probationary periods, and duties to be evaluated or examined here. So, after appointing to the employee 2 years of probationary period before going to confirm his job. So that is known as called as probationary period. You have to work 2 years here for the purpose of knowing his efficiency, ability, and obedience by the management. Next aspect here, importance of job analysis. Job analysis helps in analyzing the resources and establishing the strategies to accomplish the business goals and strategic objectives. Next importance, effectively developed employee job descriptions or communications tools the significant in an organization for getting success. Next, conducting job analysis is to prepare job description and job specification which help to hire right quality of workforce. Next one, job analysis can be used in training to identify or develop here the training content and assessment test to measure effectiveness of training or equipment that is used the training. And next, job analysis can be used in compensation to identify or determine skill levels here. Compensable job factors, work environment, responsibilities, and required level of education. Last but one, job analysis can be used in selection procedures or develop job duties that should be included in advertisement of vacant position, opportunities, salary level for the position to help determine what salary should be offered to a candidate here, minimum requirement for screening applicants, interview, questions, selection, test, instruments, applicants, appraisal, forms and orientation material for new hires. Last one, job analysis can be used in performance review to identify or develop goals and objectives, performance standard evaluation or examining the criteria of philosophy, probationary periods and duties to be evaluated. This is the importance of job analysis, meaning and definition. Remaining aspect I will explain in next video. Till then,